Hello everyone, the voice of Mr. Solution here. So quickly, I want to give us a rundown on how the Binance app interface looks like, how it works, and how you can navigate through the various options available for optimal performance. So first, here you can see Launchpad. Here is Launchpad. This is where whenever there is an IEO coming up, this is where the announcement is usually made. Maybe you have a complaint or there is something bothering you. This is the chat where you can communicate with the support, online support. Then you want to deposit coin to your account. This is where you go to deposit. And then the lending, that's for those that wish to invest. Okay, for the lending platform, this is which is for them. We have the credit card. Maybe you want to credit your account with your ATM and all that. That's the option for you. Okay, and then the next place here is for here looking at this place you can see various things. We have pay, we have last price, we have volume. Okay, and all of these things are each of these coin is represented in such a way that the coin with the highest pair comes up, the one with the highest volume is equally up. As you can see in this very coin now, Matic has the highest volume of 4,573 Bitcoin being traded. That's the volume of Bitcoin being traded on Matic is 4,573. That's how it's graded. And then the last price means the last amount that was paid for the last transaction. Okay, that's how it is. Then followed by Troy has a volume of 2,410, and the last price is 124 Satoshi. Okay, and then we have Ethereum, BNB, RVN, and the rest of them. Okay, so I would just want you to understand that in this arrangement now, that this coin are arranged in order of their in the order of their volume. Okay, it's actually arranged in descending order from the highest to the lowest, from the highest in volume to the lowest in volume. Okay, now after that, the next option we have is here where you can see things like gainers, losers, then choose markets. So what this place practically represents is that the coins are arranged in the order of their increase in terms of percentage. Okay, for instance, here we can see that Matic has currently gone up as high as 25.17%, and then followed by Dusk, which is 16.30, followed by Dusk has various markets. Here we can see markets such as we have Pass, we have USDT, we have USDC, we have also another year, but this one is for RV and USDT. So it means that these various markets are all representation of the various platform, various currencies. Okay, that the coin in question can be traded on various markets where the coin can be traded on. Okay, because every coin has its own market. BTC, for instance, BTC, we have BTC USD, we have BTC USDT, we have BTC Pass, and so we have BTC USDC, and then the list continues. Okay, then here also we have the losers. When you click on the losers, you will see them also. You will see that the coins are arranged in the order of their respective percentage losses. Here now we can see that the coin that has lost the highest for the day is VET. VET has gone down to as low as 80. It has lost about 89.51% of its previous initial value. You understand? and the market where this kind loss occurred was on BUSD. Okay, that's BUSD, BAUSD. Then the next one is Troy USDT has lost about 7.86%, followed by other packs that has lost about 5.81%, followed by Key, that's the Key, that has lost about 3.77%, and then followed by ZEC that has lost about 3.53%. And all these prices you can see here, these various prices, they are all representative of the last price that the coin has been traded. Also, like I said, there are various markets that these coins can be traded on. We have the BTC market. Okay, when we click on it, this is where this is where I'm talking about. Okay, so when you click on this choose market, we see the various markets where these coins are traded on. Maybe you want to monitor the coin on, maybe you want to monitor it on USD market, all the different USD market. Like I said earlier, USD, we have USDT, USDC, BUSD, we have packs too. These are the various markets that are under USD. And one thing about this USD is that they are majorly stable coins. You get, they're stable coins, so in case of any fluctuation and all that, people usually peg their Bitcoin to the stable coin so that the variations in the price of BTC does not affect it. Maybe we'll talk about that one in subsequent videos. Okay, now we have the alt market, we have the BTC, we have the BNB market. Then maybe you want to check for the overall price in all the markets, you can as well select the all markets. So if you eventually select all markets, okay, let me just try it now. Click on all markets, confirm it, you will see. So the coin it will not be dependent on maybe the market you're trading it on. For instance, here now you can see that we have both BTC, BUSD, BNB, and the rest of them. So it is irrespective of the market that you're analyzing you're analyzing the coins. So virtually all the coins and their various markets come out here to tell you the one that has gained most and the one that has lost most. The same thing is also applicable for the gainers too. Okay, it's not only for the losers. You can also check for that in gainers too. You can see Matic is equally still thriving, and virtually all the markets of Matic are doing well. The BTC is doing well, BNB is doing well, USDT is doing well. So they are all doing very well. So this one is just for the first phase here. These are the major markets. That's why you can see BNB USDT, BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT. So they just bring them here. It doesn't mean that other markets are negligible, but these three, they kind of contribute to the highest amount of volume that is being traded on the exchange. So that's just why they appear here. Then this is the announcements platform. Maybe there is something coming up. This is where they usually talk about it. Okay, because if it's true like this, now if you keep on seeing things, if there is anything upcoming, maybe any announcement, the listing or whatever it is, you can always come there and see it. Okay, maybe advancements. For instance, here now we can see Binance. Binance has a phone, Exodus phone, and all that. So that's just it. That's just all for the first phase. Maybe we still want to search for some things. When you click on this search icon, whatever it is you want to search appears there. Maybe you want to search for a coin, it appears in that place. Okay, and then here for this place now, here that looks like a camera, this thing, this is for maybe face recognition. Maybe you want to kind of do your KYC or something like that. If you are asked to do a video recognition of yourself, that is where you go to. Okay, when you click on it, the camera comes, or maybe you want to read a barcode. Okay, you want to scan a code, you want to read a barcode, that is also where you are brought to, that's where you go to scan any code. Okay, so we are not really getting into that area now. So the next icons we want to look at are these ones here. We have home. Currently we are at the home. Then we have the markets. We still go there. The next place is for trades. We have funds. Then we have the accounts. Okay, these are the other places now we're going to. Now we've talked about home. Next place we are going to now is the markets. Okay, like I said, there are various markets that coins can be traded on. We have BTC markets, we have the BTC, we have BNB, we have BTC, we have ALT, then we have the various USD. Remember that USD comprises of USDT, PAS, USDC, and the BUSD. So all the various stable coins, they all make up the different USD markets. Now, as you can see here, I'm at the favorites. These favorites means these are the coins I am looking at. Maybe I'm monitoring them. I want to trade them. I'm trying to understand their market structure and what is happening at any point in time. That's why they are here. It doesn't mean I can remove them. Maybe I want to remove, let's say, Ada, this very one. I want to remove it from my favorites. What I have to do just to click on it, this very place now that has a star logo or star icon, I just click on it like this. See, success. That means it has been removed from my favorite. So I can't, like, it won't be showing on the markets anytime I maybe it's maybe I don't want to monitor it again, so I can't be seeing it there. It's still possible for me to add it back again. Maybe I want to add it back. I just go to the search and type Ada. Which of the markets am I trying to monitor it on? Maybe I want to monitor it on USDT. Okay, once I click on it like that, it loads. Then I go to this star area region, this very place too that I want to initially tap on it. You see it highlights, and then that means I can always monitor Ada. Okay, see, look at it, it's already appearing. Look at it here. See it here. So I can add and remove as the case may be. Depends on me, depends on what I want. It's possible for me to add, it's also possible for me to remove. So that is just it. Now that's for the favorite. Now you have to let's say once the market you're looking at is for BNB. So once you click on this BNB now, all the various coins that are traded in BNB markets appear. All of them appear. So all these coins, their pair is BNB. All of them, their pair is BNB. The same thing is also applicable to BTC. All these coins are traded under BTC. All are traded under BTC. Then maybe we want to look at altcoins, and these ones are the various. We have Ethereum, which is the major altcoin. Like we said, altcoin means alternative coins. Any coin that is not Bitcoin, they are called altcoins. So Ethereum is actually the head here. Okay, in the altcoin we have Ethereum, we have Trust, that's Tron, TRS, then we have SRP. So these are all altcoins. Okay, they are tradable. Other coins can be tradable under them. You get. Now we have also USDT. These are the various stable coins we have. Okay, so like I said, under USD we have USDT, we have BUSD, we have PAX, we have TUSD. These are all stable coins, and other coins can equally be traded under them as the pair. Understand? So that's just it. So remember, in forex we have quotes, we have quote currency, and it's so just the same thing is also applicable here, just a little different. Now fonts, for this very place now, fonts, let's go to the favorites again. This very region now, fonts tell you how much you currently have in your account. Okay, here there is really nothing because this account is just for educational purpose. The only thing I have is $105. The new I've been holding for a very long time now, so I just keep it here. Anytime I have a class, I use it to do my demonstration. So As you can see, there really no much money here, just $100 or thereabout. Okay, so here also you can from here deposit, you can from here withdraw, you can from here transfer, maybe transfer from one place to